In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Mario Party DS multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Mario Party on the Nintendo DS features multiplayer. You will be able to play with up to 4 players in the same session. So to do this, one of you will start by hosting. So whoever is going to be hosting this session will choose multiplayer. For this, you will need to use DS Download Play, so you need the actual consoles. To my knowledge, I'm not sure if you will be able to do this on any emulators as of today. So choose multiplayer, and then you will be hosting it here. So this will be you or whoever is hosting. Now, 3 players will be able to join. To join, all that they have to do is go to the home screen of the Nintendo DS and then choose DS Download Play. This will be available on the Nintendo DS Lite, so this is how it looks, or other versions. So the Nintendo DSi, for example, just look for DS Download Play. When they choose this option, they will connect into one of these slots here. So they will load in, and you will be able to invite more and more people until the lobby is full. So you can have up to 3 friends in here, and then you to finish the lobby of 4 people. With all of you in, the host can go ahead and choose OK, and the game will start. You can then choose between the main modes, so you will have party mode, which is the standard way to play, and then minigame mode. Some of these other ones might be grayed out. Then you can choose Battle Royale, Tag Battle, Dual Battle, and so on. Everyone can pick their own characters individually, and once everyone has selected who they want to play as, you can go ahead and start. This is going to be the standard Mario Party DS experience, but with 4 players instead. And like I said before, you need to do this locally. It is impossible to play online. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.